Okay, welcome back. So today I've got a quick video on how you can make any kick louder. So it's pretty simple. I'm just going to find a kick here, sort of quiet, basic kick. And what you're going to want to do, you're going to want to double click in your channel rack to open up channel settings, then click this effects target, and then just turn the boost knob up a bit. So I'll keep it at 0, and I'll turn it up maybe 25%. As you can see, way louder already. You can also mess around with this EQ and turn the clip on. So you've got a couple controls there, but the main one is this boost knob. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed. Make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll catch you later.